Hi, can I share about one of my favorite essential oils? It is so practical and powerful. It's orange. Its sweet aroma is so uplifting. It will just brighten your day. It's great for uplifting your mood and helping with emotions, and it's calming too. So this is a beautiful oil that will blend with so many others. For instance, it goes great with cinnamon or clove, with vanilla, lavender, peppermint and orange is my favorite focus blend, bergamot, so many. It's perfect addition for making some beauty DIYs like sugar scrub or body butter, a DIY perfume or body spray, soaps. I use it in a lot of my soaps. Those are just a few. Orange oil has a wonderful cleaning power. It really is a degreaser. It's good for taking off stickers, anything sticky. I like adding some with baking soda to do lots of things. One thing is a carpet refresher. Sprinkle a little bit on your carpet, let it sit, and then vacuum up. I also use this with stinky shoe powder. So you can put like 10 drops of this with half a cup of baking soda, sprinkle it in some sticky shoes, and then let it sit overnight and dump it out before putting it on, of course. Or making like a sink scrub using this to really degrease and get all that soap scum off. You can add it to cotton balls and place it wherever you need refreshing, like the trash can, gym bags, again, stinky shoes, in the car. When I travel, I bring orange a lot because it's very happy, uplifting when you get tired from a busy day. And then I add it on a napkin or a paper towel and kind of put it in our either car or a rental or hotel room. It's great. Now, another cool thing about orange is that it comes in a vitality oil too. That means you can take it internally. So this orange actually acts as a teeth whitener. So you can put 1 or 2 drops a day on your toothpaste, on your toothbrush, and brush your teeth, and it tastes good. So orange has great wellness properties. A couple of them is an immune stimulant and liver support. So put a drop in your water or sparkling water. I love adding it to smoothies because it sweetens it some and tastes so good. I like making orange honey and drizzling it on a fruit salad or just in my tea. You can make orange whipped cream. You can use it in marinades or make a salad dressing, just to name a few things. It's like the zest of an orange instead of that. Now, lastly, orange is very calming and helps you relax. I like to use it in my diffuser before bed. I like to diffuse with cedarwood or lavender or all three, and it is wonderful. So, do you have orange essential oil? You need it. It's also very reasonable and affordable oil. You need orange in your life. Now, if you want to know about some of my other favorite essential oils that are so practical, so powerful in your life, make sure you look for my other videos because I've done a lot.